Hey everyone, happy Friday. We're gonna mix it up a little bit today. You can see we're in the kitchen. We are gonna be making curry chicken for dinner.
Whoa!
So we got the chicken here in the bag. We're gonna show you guys that in a minute. That's what we put in it. Onion, different peppers, that's potato, plant butter. And this is our lovely pot.
We got curry from Jamaica. Like
Oh yeah, I have this
legit
out right
curry
here.
from Jamaica.
His mom brought it back the last time she went to visit. It's
Per-
huge.
So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take some olive oil, put this on high, make sure it's the large burner, get a little bit of oil in the pan or pot. Just make sure it's properly coated. I could go for a little more. That should be just right. Might be too much for my like. No, it's just right. It's perfect. The next step, after get the chicken, we season our meat. Yeah, I just said that. So this is the basic pepper, onion. Help me out here, babe. What's in it? You help me.
Everything that's pretty much on the counter, the garlic, the ginger, the Italian herbs. We put all fresh seasoning in the pre-seasoned bags, and then when we cook, we use, the powdered seasonings.
And-
So tell them what the pieces are.
And for curry chicken, you want to mix. Huh? You want to mix. This is the thigh. That's a sirloin, a breast sirloin, pretty much, or a chicken strip. This is the small leg, the bigger drum, another thin strip. This is the wishbone, if anybody knows what I'm talking about. It's almost like the clavicle of the chicken right here. This is, don't be gross, but this is the back of the chicken. Trust me, it's gonna taste good. Trust me. Just, you'll see the end product. And this is the part of the video where I have to chop the chicken. But
Are you going to burn the curry first?
the noise bothers my fiance, so her face. Before we chop the chicken, we're gonna add the curry to the oil. Gotta burn the curry, like get that singe off. You don't have to do it, but if you want it to taste good, you will.
I would definitely recommend doing it.
That might be too much curry, but
I've tasted the difference.
oh well.
I don't believe it's too much curry. As long as you took it out of it.
So now it's hot. You don't want it to burn. So at this point, I'm gonna take it off high, put it on low, because I have to chop the chicken.
Alright, so we're going to chop the chicken.
And this is where I call the fiance back. Boom. Babe,
Yeah.
I'm done.
So obviously you can tell why I plug my ears and run upstairs. That was so loud. So,
And this is what it looks like in the pot. The oil has been going. The curry has been burning. Now you just want to get it evenly coated. Pour it around. Because you are going to add water to this. You don't want it to like not have that curry look. And if you do have that curry look, you don't want it to have that deep, nasty curry taste. And to be honest, this is how I was brought up. This is what my palate is nostalgic about. So this is how I make it. I'm not saying other ways of preparing curry is bad. While that's going, I'm going to take the time to chop up my veggies. Clean the cutting board first.
So we're gonna clean up, chop up the veggies, and come back in a couple minutes.
Plant-based butter.
Country Crock plant butter. Ooh.
Right here, I have medium-sized carrot chopped up, half an onion chopped up, a series of peppers, red, yellow, orange, and green peppers. I'm gonna throw that into the pot. For some
I'll meet
reason,
you at the pot.
For some reason, I thought you went with me, like in the pot.
I'll meet you over here. Oh, look at our cute salt and pepper shakers. My mom and sister got it. Alexa, turn the volume way down. We're recording now. Alexa, turn the volume down more. We turned the volume up when we weren't recording and I forgot to turn it down. Alexa, turn the volume down more. That should be good. Sorry, guys. No, you should be able to hear us talk to you. So I'm going to do a little recap in case the music was too loud. There are different colored peppers in there, half an onion, and a medium-sized carrot he chopped up.
Also, while we weren't recording, I placed some ginger in it. I also placed, what is this?
Italian herb. Sounds like
Yeah,
a chop.
duh. Wow, I'm reading everything else. Some Italian herb into the pot. I also placed some chicken flavor bouillon in there, like half a, what is that?
Tablespoon? Teaspoon?
No, half a teaspoon of bouillon, half a teaspoon of seasoning salt. I am going to use some of this accent flavor enhancer, but not as yet. And I also added some garlic into it as well.
We love garlic.
Did I? Yeah. So the next thing I'm going to add, watch out.
Oh, I'm in the way.
I don't know if I want to put my refrigerator out there. You have more scouting?
I think I'm not sure.
You ran out of scouting?
I think we used it for our Memorial Day feast.
It's in the compound butter.
Yeah.
We'll use that.
So we are going to let this cook up a little more. He added some water since we last recorded. So we're going to
I added, it's not an exact measurement. I added a Ziplocker and a half of water. Not sure how much this holds, but It was enough to cover the chicken and give it some space. So same trick for rice, that much above the chicken, and yeah, that should take roughly 45 minutes to an hour. The chicken should be cooked. At that point, the carrot should have softened, but around the 20-minute mark, I'm going to come and add some potatoes. The only reason why I'm not adding the potatoes now is for the sole fact that I don't want the potatoes to get too soft and just be mush. It does add to the gravy when the potatoes break down, but it's not really what I am going for. It's not what I'm known for. I'm the chef. The chef. Bah!
He is. All right, so we'll check back in with you guys when we get ready to dice up the potato. Okay guys, so the curry chicken's been cooking for a little while. I just wanted to show you the types of rice that we keep in the house. We keep the parboiled Carolina rice and the basmati rice. Tonight we are having basmati. Kareem is adding he's cutting the potatoes to add to the curry chicken.
Ooh, one got away. Gotta wash it again. Cleanliness is next to chef style.
Sorry if I'm not giving you the most flattering angles. I'm new with this cameraman thing.
Every angle on me's flattering. Oh, babe, can you take the head off?
Oh, yeah.
Water's dripping. Spread them around. Everybody gets a little bit of potato and carrot. Technically speaking, if I added more carrots and more potatoes to this in itself could be a full meal. The potatoes being the starch, the chicken being the protein.
Not needing the rice, but we just add the potato for a little accent. We add salt and butter to the rice.
Cover it up. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little dance, right? I call this the shimmy shake. Babe, how's that cold cuts dance go? What is it?
Get some cold cuts. Get some cold cuts. Get some cold cuts. Get some cold cuts. What commercial is that for?
What is it?
I don't
I
remember.
think it
Was
was
it
for
State
cold
Farm?
cuts. Oh, it wasn't for cold cuts?
I don't think so. It was a football player.
We're gonna look it up and come right back. Alright guys, this is what the curry chicken looks like. Final. We added some mixed veggies. What is this?
Green bean.
Green beans, corn, a little bit more carrot,
Some peas in there. Too,
some
I
peas
think.
in there. That's what the chicken looks like. We got the potatoes and the carrots I originally chopped up. And right over here we have some basmati white rice that we steamed pretty much.
Ooh.
And yeah, we're about to play and we'll get right back to you, okay?
Alright guys, this is the finished product. Curry chicken, Kareem's plate, and basmati rice, my plate.
I like ketchup, guys, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of.
None for me, I'm good. And as promised, Shug, love of my life.
Yeah, I felt like we killed it, so in the honor of the Geico commercial, Icky Woods, cold cuts. Pooh!
Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed our video. It was definitely a twist from what I usually do. We're definitely going to do a lot more videos like this and switch it up. I don't want to just keep sitting and talking because that's boring and nobody's watching. So I hope you enjoyed our video and thank you for watching.
You'll be seeing more of me. Bye-bye. I'm out.
Click the like and subscribe, notification button, all that fun stuff. Pain is pretty low, and I hope it stays that way. All my chronic warriors, stay strong, stay healthy, And everybody just enjoy your days, and I'll check back in soon.